Okay, so today is Monday, but it's Easter. So we went to the cards in the morning for my birthday, but I had a little time to trade this morning. So I'm gonna explain um, what did I look for, okay? So, well, first of all, EURUSD, we had this uptrend here with this high breaking here, nothing really relevant. And then we started the day, well, having this break here, but nothing important. Then we took this liquidity here on M5, and we had a break of structure to the upside. So here I decided to enter with this candle, okay, because I waited for this to close in and I expected this to be taken, but then I saw this candle and I entered here, and the trade was going on, and in with this candle I closed the trade because I was uncomfortable, so I closed the trade and then it went to TP. But I'm happy because I understood everything. It's just that um, we're getting ready for the cards and everything, and I was like not really focused. I understood all of this, and I was focused here, but with this I wasn't really comfortable, so I preferred to close. Maybe in a normal day I would have kept it, but because we didn't took relevant liquidity to the left, so this made me feel uncomfortable. But well, it's okay. I did what I felt, and then here, well, we had nothing really. We had maybe this break of structure here, and maybe this break of structure here, and I could have traded, but we were having lunch and I wasn't focused, so well, I just took another trade. So yeah, this could have been a good trade, probably. Well, we had this break of structure here. Let me see. POI mitigation. And on M1, probably we took this liquidity probably here, and then this maybe an stop loss. Yeah, nothing clear really. So nothing I would have traded because there's nothing to the left too. Maybe this relevant liquidity, but no, there's nothing, so I wouldn't have traded this. Okay. So GEP, same trade as EU. I saw this break of structure here, but with no reason to the left. There's nothing to the left as EU, like EU. And here we had this relevant liquidity taken. Here the break of structure was on M1, so I didn't take this trade, but I marked it up. Break of structure on M1, and well, yeah, no, but here I entered before, like I saw this with this candle and I entered here. It was risky, so I didn't trade that, just to test it, and it was okay. And then in the afternoon, well, nothing really, like break of structure here. It was late, so yeah, nothing. USD CHF, um, we have a downtrend. I was expecting for the break of structure, but we had it out of timing here, and then maybe you took some relevant liquidity on one or something like that. Yes, did no, not even that. So yeah, nothing to trade here. even having this break obstructor here, but yeah, I wasn't looking at that as I didn't like it, so yeah, it's okay. GBUSD, same, out of timing, and then yeah, we had this break here, but nothing to look at. So yeah, nothing at all. Okay, Nasdaq. Yeah, I took a trade here in the afternoon. In the morning there was nothing really, like maybe this break here or this break here, but yeah, nothing, because there was nothing to the left, just this low. So I waited for this low. We had this break obstructor here, so I look for the buy, and yeah, break obstructor, relevant liquidity to be taken, engulfing candle, so I entered here. Break even and partial here, and then here TP, but here it should have closed with break even and partial, but it didn't, and I don't know why, because there's like this, there's a spread, but the price broke that with strength, and it was a clear break. So yeah, as you can see, it's here, I think. No, here. We had this clear break, so my everything was here. So I don't know why it didn't close it. I had the computer blocked because I was sleeping, so I don't know if it closed my trade here with a stop loss. I doubt it, because the spread was to the upside. So and I had the stop loss, like, I don't know if I can move this. Yeah, and my stop loss was like down here. Yeah, down here, and the spread was to the upside, so I don't think it would have closed me with a stop loss. And maybe having the computer blocked, the trade system didn't work correctly. As you can see, I had everything here, so it broke that clearly. It clearly broke that. So yeah, I don't know. I didn't look if it took me out here, so I don't know. So it should have been closed with TP, but as you can see, it didn't, because I got down like a few dollars, a few hundreds of dollars. So what? For me, it's okay. For me, I had the TP, okay, with my analysis. And here we had a break obstructor, but nothing to the left. So yeah, I didn't look for nothing here. And then US 30, same shit. Yeah, we had a downtrend here. There was this structure to the left. Well, yeah, we had this break up here, which I didn't see because I had to leave. So yeah, it was out of timing too, so I didn't trade that. And then this break here, which I didn't look at it either, and it went away. So yeah, nothing to see, to look at. So I'm happy because 2 TPs. Yeah, 2 TPs, even that. Well, I closed one with $100 negative down, and the other one, I don't know what happened, but for me are 2 TPs, so they confirmed TPs, so I'm happy, and well, and see you tomorrow.